Hey, my name is Rob Downey. Some of you guys know who I am, some of you guys don't. But if you've watched any of our YouTube videos, I'm on almost all of them. Anyway, I'm one of the co-founders here at Simply Be Found, and I have been doing this stuff since 1995, and I've owned and operated multiple different businesses. So my reason for today's email is that I'm sending out, or if you're watching this on YouTube possibly, or any of our social channels, because I'm sure my team will send it out to there. I want to find out how we can help you. I want to find out if you're stuck in the platform anywhere, any ideas, any improvements, anywhere we could do better, or any kind of comments that you need if you need help to be able to take your business to the next level. We have several things dropping. We have web design dropping as a service that we're going to offer over to members and have special pricing for that. We have some done for you plans that are going to be dropping to where we will actually do everything for you for the social media marketing and local SEO, to where we'll do all those tasks inside of you. And I'm also looking for anywhere where we can improve our software. So for those who don't know this, we created our software from the ground up. When Dean and I first started this project, we tried to use multiple different vendors to be able to put it together, to be able to simplify it and not to have a big back end and development team, but none of them worked. And none of them worked for the small business the way we saw it being that it needed to work. So what we did is we actually created the platform from scratch. It took us about 2 years worth of development time to build what we have now, and we're getting ready to do some major improvements. We just released out a bunch of stuff that's going to improve our software in the last week. Due to some issues that we had with posting and scheduling and some things that changed and some things that just didn't work right. But we're a small business, just like 90% or actually 95 to 98% of all of our customers. And we're always looking for that room of where you're stuck at, what you need, and how we can help you. So in this message, it goes out to all of our free customers. It goes out to our paid customers and members, not customers. How can we help you? How can we help you be able to take your business to the next level? What do you need to see inside of the platform? Are we missing anything? Is there any features that you don't understand that you wish you knew more about? Because I'm also looking for being able to do more videos. So this email that you just received in your box, or if you're watching this on YouTube or any of our social channels, we want to know, what do you need and how can we help you? Again, my name is Rob Downey. I recommend you check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/@simplybefound. Check us out on Facebook. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'm always trying to put out content. I fell behind the 8 ball. My grandmother actually passed away. I've been dealing with all of that, so I have not been on top of videos like I have been in the past. I am going to be hopping back on the saddle and getting a lot more videos out, and that's why I want to ask everybody, how are you doing? How can we help you? And where can we improve? What are we missing? I want to know those details, because it's your feedback that helps us build the software. You're part of a community. When you become a member of Simply Be Found, you're part of a community. We get all of our development tasks by you inside of the platform, using it and using our marketing tools to help yourself take yourself to the next level. So check us out, simplybefound.com. We have some exciting stuff coming, and that's all going to be based on member feedback, and member feedback we've already received and what we're getting ready to start pushing out. So thank you very much. We appreciate you being part of this, and we love that you're being part of the journey. Thanks.